Hi, here is the Konica C35 Flashmatic, the overall conditions, and about the lens is clean and clear. Then the bottom part here is the battery compartment. Using one LR44 battery. Let me just put it like this inside and just close it. So to make sure that whether it got the battery or not is when you look into it at the right side, whether the needle is moving or not. If it's not moving, it's stay like at the red side from the top or the bottom, which means that the battery is finished. So you need to switch the battery in order to use the auto mode and the meter. If not, it will have a fixed speed and a small aperture, and all the outcome have a high chances that will be underexposed. Then next thing, by pulling here to open the back cover, inside will be like this. Then here is the film. Okay, so you just put inside here. Okay, if you can't put, then you just pull out a bit, then press it down. Make sure it's fully down like this, because sometimes you might face like this kind of problem. Yeah, you press and it's like this. So you turn a bit, yeah, and it will lock it. Then the film tip, you need to insert into here. The simply one, okay, insert it. After that, oops, okay, insert like that. Then use another hand to press it and wind it. Like that means it's okay, and we just close it. How to know whether you have loaded the film properly? It's quite easy lah. You try like me lah. When it's tight, then you just stop it and you wind the film and look at here. It will move together, which means that now you can start shooting. And here we have a film counter, but you no need wait until like number 1 only you start shooting, because for last time people will wind like twice or until number 1 is because they want to avoid the expose, because got some film at the front here is exposed to the light, so it will have a light leak or something. So if they want to prevent that kind of problem, so they just like wind twice, then only they start shooting. Wow, if you just load it and shoot it directly, sometimes you can take like maybe 37 or 38 photos. Yeah, and here is the focusing. Then here is the ISO setting at the ring here. Yeah. So just now the film is 400, then I just switch to 400 will do. Then here's the focus, and about the focus is called rangefinder. So when you look through the viewfinder, yeah, you see here got a square. Actually, you just need use this square, yellow box, I would say, to aim to the object that you want to shoot. Then when you aim it, it will have like split image. Then you just adjust the focus until the image align together, which means that it's focused already. Maybe I try see. Okay, yeah, you see here the metal, it will have you see my finger, there's a split image for the finger. So you need to adjust it, but the minimum focus is 1 meter, and here is too close, so yeah, I can't focus. Then the next thing is, here is the timer. I can show you by pulling it down and click it. The timer is around 10 seconds like that lah. Yeah. So just wait for it. Okay. So overall it's like this, and when you didn't use it, you just take out the battery, because some battery will leak or corroded, then it might harm the metering part and causing the metering is spoiled. Yeah. Then when you shoot finish, how to know whether you finish or not? Some people will look here, if under 36, they will auto manual rewind it lah. But for me, I will wind until I cannot wind anymore. I feel that there's a resistance, then I will stop it, press the bottom button here and flip here up, then only I rewind it. Oops. Rewind until it becomes loose like that, then only I open it and take out my film to develop. And here, when finish it, only you shoot. Yeah. Every time you want to shoot, you just wind to the max and should wind to the max, then should. You don't wind like halfway, then you push it back. It will affect the mechanism of here, so it's better wind finish, should like that. So hope you enjoy.